Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as you can see, we are going to have a look at another concept, which I thought was interesting because it includes some interesting ideas with a lot less of the emphasis on AI and more of the emphasis being on the core running of the operating system. And this concept has been created by a concept creator called Raditya Aryaputra. Now, I hope I haven't butchered that name, but that's how I think you pronounce it. And that's over on Behance, and I'll leave the Behance post linked in the description. So go show them some support. Now, Raditya has this to say. While Windows 11 looks beautiful, its usability has suffered from intrusive ads, and I'm quoting, lack of customization and AI clutter. This conceptual project goes back to basics by making small, thoughtful changes. I aim to make Windows feel faster, highly customizable, and entirely focused on the user experience, quote unquote. So having a look at the start menu, which I think looks quite nice. According to the creator, the start menu has returned with a more clean and compact size and has completely removed forced recommendations and ads, focusing entirely on user-pinned applications, the app list, and search. So that's just a closer look at the start menu. Then next up, we have the taskbar, with the concept creator saying, bringing back core functionalities to the taskbar like movable and resizable taskbar and introducing more modular customization. And just on a quick side note, a movable and resizable taskbar are in the works with Microsoft, as we have been talking about, where Microsoft said it's going to be fixing Windows 11 this year in 2026. But I do think some nice ideas in regards to the taskbar. Then moving to the widget, Raditya says, strip the MSN news feed from the panel, only focused on pinned widgets. And I actually do agree with that. I would prefer just a simple widgets board for widgets with no MSN news. And then moving on to search and Copilot. Here at the top we have search. The concept creator says, being able to search everything like apps, files, settings, commands, Copilot, and so on, instantly using shortcuts without ads and irrelevant recommendations. And then moving on to Copilot. Copilot is seamlessly integrated into the system search as a native, unobtrusive assistant. And then last up, we have the calendar view, saying it must display daily events and provide links to join virtual meetings. So that's a new concept by Raditya Aryaputra. And I thought this was interesting. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Yay or nay? Remember, the Behance post will be in the description. And at the end of the day, it's important to keep in mind that a concept is still a concept. And a lot of these concept creations tend to emphasize aesthetics over usability, but nonetheless an interesting concept. Let me know what you guys think down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.